So in this video, I'm going to answer the question, what is a drop on Amazon? What is it? Some people call them drops, some people call them dips, but drops or dips are very important to your Amazon business because drops equal sales. So we are talking about reading a Keepa graph, and there's drops on Keepa graphs that will show you sales, and the more drops, the more sales. So let's break this down, what it means. There's so much more information I want to share with you about this. Let's go check it out right now. All right, here we are, Keepa.com, and you can check out this Seinfeld scene at Keepa graph. Now, I've turned off all the information except for the sales rank. I mean, there's a ton of information that you can choose to look at, but I'm just looking at sales rank because that's where the drops come in. And a drop is any time a sales rank number goes from a high number to a low number. And that means at least one sale. Notice I do not say that drops equal sales. No, drops mean at least one sale. So again, when a sales rank number goes from a high number to a low number, it's a drop. It's like a cliff. I mean, you're looking on the edge of the cliff and there's just this drop. That means at least one sale. So on a Keepa graph, there's a statistic link over here where it kind of gives you a summary of the particular graph that you're looking at. You can see that this, when it comes to sales rank drops, on a 90-day average, it averages 8 drops per month. And so that should mean that when we look at this is a 3-month average. 3 months, there should be about 8 drops a month. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 22 drops a month. This one might be a 23rd one right over here. So yes, that 24 divided by 3 is 8. So 23, they're rounding up. So 8 drops per month on average when you look at the 90-day average. Right now, that's what I'm looking at. 3 months, 90-day average. So there's a ton of information you can see from this statistic. And when you're looking at drops, it's good to know that you can expect at least 8 sales a month based on the number of drops. Now, why did I say at least? Because a sales rank will improve based on a sale. So if there's not a sale, its sales rank is not going to improve. So, but if maybe 2 items sold in the same day, or maybe items are selling faster than before, so there's no way to really know for sure. That's why I say at least 1 sale per drop. Let's take a look at another graph, just so you kind of know what I mean. Again, we need to get rid of all the information except for the sales rank information. This is a VTech Paw Patrol Learning tablet. This is selling a lot. So you really aren't able to kind of count the drops here, which is good because that's why there's a statistics graph. So with this statistic graphs, Keepa is counting for you. 97 a month, at least 97 sales a month. Now it might even be more than 97 sales a month because the sales rank is so close to number 1 that, this is just, so many sales. So it could potentially mean, 400 sales a month, but we just know it's at least 97. We don't know what the maximum could be, but we know at least 97. We feel a little bit more confident about this because these are pretty obvious sales here with the straight line down for the Seinfeld scene at board game. This probably actually is very close to 8 sales a month, but it could be a little bit more. The closer you get to the ranking of number 1, though, it could mean exponentially more, and there's no way to know, but at least the Keepa graph will track the number of drops, averaging over 90 days, 97 sales, at least 97 sales. So I put emphasis on that. So that's how to understand what a drop is. Sometimes people call them dips, but that's how to understand that looking at a Keepa graph. So that's a little bit of information about how to make a better sourcing decision where you can see what the average sales has been in the past. At the at least number, at least 97 sales, at least 8 sales per month in different situations. Each Keepa graph will tell you, based on the calculations of its tracking, how many drops there have been at least during that time. They don't say this is tracking sales, it's just tracking drops. So now you know how to understand what drops are. If you want to know everything that you need to know about a Keepa graph and how to read it, how to make better sourcing decisions, we put together a course, The Reseller's Guide to Keepa. It's all about using Amazon's sales rank history, pricing history to make smarter sourcing decisions so that you can know with confidence how deep to go on a purchase. Do I buy 1? Do I buy 100? Do I buy 50? How many do I buy? If I'm able to buy a lot, how deep do I go? Keepa helps you make a good decision. Keepa helps you source inventory that sticks to a higher price and doesn't tank in price, because you can actually tell for sure about pricing history, of how to predict the pricing future. It walks you through how to incorporate your competition and what they have in stock. And that information is very key to know and understand. So look into that. It also helps you know how to just very confidently know which variations are selling more than the other variations, so you know which ones to buy, which ones to leave on the shelf. So much more. FulltimeFBA.com/Keepa course is the course. We've been updating this course over the last 4 or 5 years, and we haven't raised the price very often, so it's time to raise the price. So I'm warning you now. Go check out the course now before the price goes up. FulltimeFBA.com/Keepa course. It will be one of the best investments you've ever made in your Amazon business, because you will make better, smarter sourcing decisions, make less sourcing mistakes, make money faster and more confidently, and grow your Amazon business to the next level. Again, FulltimeFBA.com/Keepa course. Have a great day. Bye.